nowadays, advances in biological therapy is coming in a big way. There are many biomolecules that are being used to treat the various diseases. So as a result, those biological molecules are in therapy and they're in a clinic also, as we have seen examples from vaccines, from peptides, hormones, and also the monoclonal antibodies, which are complex biomolecules. So for a future generations, we need to prepare ourselves so that these molecules can be taken up easily for the testing, QC testing of these molecules, and they can be tested before they get released for a public use. So in a way, we need to prepare ourselves for the safeguard of public health. NIB is a National Institute of Biologicals, and it was established in 1992, and since then it is doing the QC testing of in vitro devices as well as the therapeutic molecules, biotherapeutics such as insulin, insulin analogs, enzymes, hormones, and vaccines, as well as the monoclonal antibodies. So it is more important to do if that product is really good and is of a good quality before it goes into a public, right? So CDSCO sends us those samples and we release the report back to CDSCO for their use. See, again, as I said earlier, it's the need is to safeguard the public health. That's more important. So those manufacturers, they manufacture these biologicals, and they undergo through various processes, right? So it's in a way it's a science, right? A one small change in a process can lead to changes in the final formulation or a final product, right? So in order to assess if there is any change that can affect the patient, so that's why it is a need to do a final product testing before its release. Yeah, in the era of a competitive world, like we need more of those biotherapeutics for a public use. So, and also we need to scale it up, and also we need to develop faster and alternative methods of testing so that they can be released as soon as possible for a public use. So that's why it's required. The challenges in the testing of biologicals is one is for future generations, the human resources, right? Because our consumption is going to be large of these biotherapeutics. So we need to train our youngsters or postgraduates for the QC testing of biologicals. And NIB is already playing a good role in that by giving a training to the master students of various universities. And as well as we have also started a PhD program in the area of the QC testing of biologicals. So this is this is how we are going to counter those challenges in the future.